Okay, so I'm changing the transmission oil and filter on my 2014 Ford Raptor. They said, oh, you just need to circulate the oil out. You don't have to change the filter. The oil is supposed to last the entire life of the vehicle. Look how black that oil is. Look how the filter wasn't even really in the hole. And what a pain in the butt it was to remove every bolt and have it drain down. So I used plastic underneath my truck and an oversized oil pan and knocked it out. It's 5/16. Take some patience, take some time. And then I went online and I bought this new oil pan that has the drain plug. The drain plug is the key to your sanity in the future. And you can't forget, you have to replace the magnet from the stock pan. I followed a guy on YouTube. It's Ford's Make You Loco. The guy is the best mechanic in the world. Anyhow, I'm doing it myself, and so can you. 8 quarts of oil, and then there's a fill plug down below that you need to take off, and it is this one right there. You see that plug right there? That, and there's the dipstick. So you wipe everything down really well, you reuse your gasket, and do it yourself. 40 minutes. You can do this.